See how to fix the Frigidaire professional dishwasher error code 20 i20 drain issue filter clean and reset guide. So the fix one, you can clean the drain filter. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it. Open the door and remove the bottom rack. After that, twist and remove the drain filter at the bottom, and then wash the filter under running water and remove all food and drips, and put the filter back and loose it in a place. The fix 2, you can clean the drain hose. Turn off power to the dishwasher, then pull the dishwasher slightly forward. Then after, check the drain hose behind the unit and make sure it is not bent, clogged or twisted. Then after, remove the hose and flush it with the water if locked. Fix 3, check the garbage disposal. Make sure the garbage disposal is not clogged. Run the disposal for 30 seconds. Then after, if the dishwasher was newly installed, check that the disposal knockout plug was removed and run the dishwasher again. Goodbye.